Hey everyone, as a professional chef, when I come home to my children, I want to make a simple and easy meal. And I also want to utilize the three components, which is starches, vegetables, and proteins. It's really simple. All you have to do is pick up a pot and understand that when you fill that pot, that's how many people you're feeding. Usually a household pot will feed about 4 to 6 people. Go into your fridge, look at all the stuff that's about to blemish. Look for the imperfections in those fruits and vegetables and such, and then say, for dinner, I'm just gonna pick up some color. So you got your vegetables, you got your potatoes, and then you gotta think of meat. You might not have any meat. Well, you can always pick up some sausage that you might have already cut up, not using it. And then we go into our cupboards, and we can utilize stuff there. So utilizing your blemish stuff from your fridge, by the way, you just save that from landfills, and have a pot full of color. Let's add some other things to it to make it really healthy and nutritious. I would say a can of chicken breast is always great to add. Kids love it, I love it. Beans, so you can hide those beans inside this. And even a coconut milk. A little can of coconut milk changes everything. But what brings it all together is the umami. Then you just had to add some flavors. Really easy concept is take one of those little soup packages, put it in there, or add some water, cook it off for 22 to 25 minutes on a slow medium heat, and you got yourself dinner for your family. Enjoy.